Hi, today we're gonna make an apple pie. This apple pie is great for special occasions like holidays, like Thanksgiving, which is a holiday, or you can make this for yourself. So the ingredients are 8 apples. These are Honeycrisp apples, but you can use any apple you want. So we're gonna use a lemon. Make sure you zest it before you slice it so it's easier to slice it. We're gonna use 1/4 cup of butter. And for this, we just need to use half of the stick of this butter, Land O'Lakes unsalted butter, 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, and 2/3 cup of sugar. And we're also gonna use pre-made pie crust, but you can also make your own pie crust. And make sure you wash your hands before starting. So we're gonna start with skinning the apples. So be careful, I guess. So after we skin and wash the apples, we're gonna slice them up into cubes. So before we slice the lemon, we're gonna zest it first, but we don't have a lemon zester, so we're using a cheese grater. And after that, we're gonna squeeze the lemons. Now it's time to add the 2/3 sugar. Make sure you mix it well. Now it's time to place it in the pan at medium heat. And then we add 1 teaspoon of cinnamon. And then we add the lemon zest. Lemony zest. After about 3 minutes, we add in the cornstarch. We add the butter. And cover it for about 7 minutes. And while we're waiting, we're gonna do the crust. Hooray! So we're gonna do the dough now. The dough that we're using comes in 2, so we're gonna use 1 for the bottom and 1 for the top. The lattice, the top lattice. So by the way, we're gonna use a 9.5-inch pie dish. Smells like tortillas. We're just gonna use the rolling pin to flatten it. Stick So we're doing the lettuce. We're cutting it into strips for about half. We're doing 1/2 inch strips. What? So now we're gonna drain the apples, the liquid back in the pan. The sauce goes back to the pan in medium heat. Make sure you cook the sauce until it's thick enough. So then we add the sauce back to the apple mixture. And now it's time to put the apple mixture with the sauce into the bottom of the pie crust, the pie tray. Now it's time to put in our lettuce on the pie. For the edges, we're just gonna cut it to make them even. We're gonna preheat the oven to bake 400 and start. Now we're gonna do our egg wash, which is just an egg and a tablespoon of milk. Oh no. Here. And now it's time for our egg wash. For the egg wash. So this is optional, but I made one tablespoon of cinnamon and 2 tablespoons of sugar. Before putting it in the oven, I'm just gonna wrap it in tin foil, aluminum foil, so the sides don't burn. Okay, so this is our final result of the pie.
Just focus on the thing.
It's good.